Maligayang pagdating sa bundok ng Kalisungan!
Looking to experience breathtaking scenery with a local viewpoint? If you are, then this travel guide is a great hike option for you. Mount Kalisungan located at Calauan Laguna. It's just few hours bus and jeep travel from Manila. Mount Kalisungan is one of the smaller mountains in the southern Tagalog region, ascending to 760 meters above sea level, and with a picturesque view of Mount Panahaw and Mount Cristobal, and a stunning view of Mount Makiling on the other side. But did you know that Mount Kalisungan played a special part in the Philippine history? Mount Kalisungan has a special place in history as the final stand of the retreating Japanese soldiers in Laguna towards the end of World War II, 1945 to 1946. It used to be, and still is, a mountain that has many names. Some call it Mount Calauan or Mount Magcarlan, named after the two towns it borders. Others call it Mount Lamot because it lies in Barangay Lamot Dos. Calauan Laguna, the home of the Sweetest Pineapples. The town got its name from the term Calawang, which means rust. It was claimed that for centuries, lumps of rust surfaced and drifted gently on the body of water called Calawang Spring. This spring was situated nearly 3 kilometers from the town proper. But how to go here in Mount Kalisungan? There are two options. First, by a public transportation. You will ride a bus from Cubao or Buendia to Victoria Junction, and that will be 2 hours to 2 hours and 30 minutes of travel time. Then, ride a tricycle to Barangay Lamatos, Barangay Hall. By a private transport, head to Calambao via South Luzon Expressway and then follow through the National Highway passing through Pansol and Los Baños until you reach junction of Victoria. Make a right turn at junction and go straight until you reach Barangay Lamatos, Barangay Hall. Parking is available. 2 hours will be your travel time. Second option is be a joiner. There's a lots of coordinator that organize a tour there and you will save time and effort. Our adventure starts here at the jump-off point in Barangay Lamot Dos, Calauan Laguna. Upon arriving the jump-off, there are some stores that serves hot goto and lugaw. You need to register at the Barangay Hall before climbing. Registration fee is 50 pesos. A guide must be with you when you climb the mountain.
Are you ready to go? Let's go!
Start our trek with several of my hiking friends. Russell, Lino, Mick, Liza, and Erica. What to bring on your climb here to Mount Kalisungan? Trail foods, water, gloves, slippers or sandals, trash bag, medical kit, toiletries, extra clothes, poncho or raincoat during rainy days, cap or bandana, trekking pole, extra money, camera, power bank, extra battery, and dry bag.
So hello guys, so we are in 177 meters above sea level. So meron pa tayong 760 minus 177 ilan? I don't know. So yun ang 500 plus meters pa ang akitin namin. So let's go. Before lunch break, so dapat makakit na kami.
Throughout the year, Mount Kalisungan receives ample rainfall. And because of its relatively rustic location, its great charm lies in its serenity. Fruit trees from rambutan to kaimito and of course dalanghita or dalandan provide trail food year-round as well. But don't forget to ask permission before picking.
lakad, maraming pahinga.
Ang challenge lang dito, sa simula pa lang, sobra na niyang tarek. So, kapag umulan dito at umano kayo, umakyat, sobrang kailangan talaga ng mga trekking po, lalo na sa mga beginners. Pero so far, carry bells na. Kaya lang ganon, di ba?
So yun, yung dinaanan naming trail, yung trek, mas steep siya pero rocky siya. Pero hindi naman siya maputik. Ayan.
We are now at 474 meters. So, ilang meters na lang. So, more than 200 na lang. Yun ang kailangan natin bago maabot ang summit. So, let's go!
There are buko that can be bought in the halfway of the trail for only 30 pesos.
Ang ganda naman na yan.
As expected, the trail was a continuous assault on easy to moderately steep slopes with very limited flat level ground. Preparation is a must before going up here. Grassy fields surround the slopes of Kalisungan. There are coconut trees, banana plantations, cornfields, citrus orchards, and vast grasslands leading to the summit. We emerge into a grassland marking the final assault to the summit.
Welcome to the summit of Mount Kalisungan.
We reach the summit after more than 3 hours. The summit is dominated by high cogon grass. We saw the mark that separates municipality of Calauan and the city of San Pablo. The view becomes more distinct. Right in front of you to the north is Talim Island with its Mount Tagapo shaped like a young woman's breast. You can also see Halahala Peninsula jutting into Laguna Lake like a ship with Mount Sembrano on its helm. Moving your eyes to the east, the highlands of Caliraya appear, and once you reach the peak, you will be able to glimpse upon the 7 lakes of San Pablo, flanked by Mount Cristobal and Mount Banahaw. Then from a distance, there is Mount Makiling to the west, completing the circle. Spend an hour having some rest and taking some pictures. After that, we descended back to the jump-off. Where to eat after hiking to Mount Kalisungan? You can go to Escargot Restaurant, Sta and Floating Restaurant, Chef Mao Restaurant, Amumet, Pagnet, Noodle Fight, Janelli's Restaurant, and Fael's Kitchen. Where to go next after hiking to Mount Kalisungan? You can go to Yambo Lake by Calauan Laguna. You can go also to Bungo Falls in Calauan Laguna. You can go to National Historical Landmark and Museum of Calauan Underground Cemetery. Mount Kalisungan is another mountain that every mountain enthusiast should go. Its time spent without our devices allows us to be in the moment and recognize the beauty of the little things. When was the last time you allowed yourself to let go of thoughts centered around emails and work or the things you want or tasks that must get done? When was the last time you stopped talking or thinking for long enough to really listen to the birds sing, or appreciate the smell of that early scent after the rain, or to gaze out on the landscape in front of you without seeing right through it? Take these little moments all for granted. Personally, I found that spending time in the mountains reintroduced me to the value of the little things in life and the beauty of these tiny moments. Right here at Mount Kalisungan in Calauan Laguna, I am Lemon Tibero, and this is Tuklas Pilipinas.